Hello friends, welcome to Math Guru. Okay, today in the series of mathematics, we will learn about crisscross multiplication techniques, right? So using this, we can multiply any numbers with any digits to any two numbers with any digits, and we can find the result within a few seconds, right? So let's see how we can do it. So first, we will start with the right hand side digits. Then in the cross manners, we will move towards the left hand side, right? And we will keep multiplying those numbers till we reach to the right side of the left digit, right? So yeah, the steps which involves is that first we will start with the right side. So for the two digit number, you can see, right? First we have started with the right side. Then we will multiply in the cross, adjacent cross, right? And then we will multiply the left side digits, right? So whatever the carry forward which was there in the previous will get added, right? Similarly, this, right? Start with the left side, then multiply it with the adjacent left digits, right? Adding those two multiplications, right? The carry forward of first step will get added to this. Similarly, since the three digit number, so we'll multiply all three. In cross manners, we will add this multiplication over there and the carry forward. Then we will move to the left side with this two digits, right? Multiplication and then addition, and then at the end the leftmost digit, right? And the carry forward of the previous multiplication will get added, right? So here we require 5 steps. For two digits we require 3 steps. Similarly for 4 we require 7 steps. So here also we will start with the right side, then multiply it with the adjacent left side, then adding this summation, then with 3 numbers, then with all 4 numbers, then if you can see the 3 numbers, 2 numbers, leftmost 2 numbers, and then finally we have this left side number, right? Okay, so let's take few example. So in case of 23 into 34, right? 23 into 34. So the first step is that first we will multiply 3 with 4, right? These two, which would be your 12, right? So answer what would be, I would write 2, 1 would be the carry forward. Second, I will multiply this and with this 2 with 4, 2 into 4 plus 3 into 3, 3 into 3, right? It would be your 8 plus 9, right? And the plus 1, right? 17 plus 1, 18, right? Equals to 18. So what I will write 8, carry forward would be 1, right? In the third step, I will multiply 3 into 3 with 2, right? And 6 and then plus 1, so 7, right? So I can write 7 over here. Easy, right? Let's take one more example. 45 into 67, right? So if I multiply, first step would be, I would multiply 5 with 7, 35. I would write 5 over here. 3 is the carry forward, okay? Then I would multiply 4 with 7 and plus 6 with 5, right? 28 plus 30, 58, right? And plus 3, okay? So it would be 61. I would write 1 over here. 6 is the carry forward, okay? Now I will multiply 4 into 6, 24, 24 and plus 6 which was the carry forward, it would be 30. So I would write 30, right? Clear? So with practice it can be done very quickly, right? Now take another example of 3 digit number, right? So it's 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. So first step would be, I would multiply 3 with 6. That would be 18. I would write 8 over here. Carry forward is 1. Okay. Second step would be multiply 2 with 6 and 3 with 5. 2 with 6 plus 3 into 5, right? It's 12 plus 15, which is 27. Okay. The carry forward was 1. Okay. So it would be 28, right? So I would write 8 over here. 2 is the carry forward, right? Now I will do it for all 3 numbers. This 1, 6, 4, 3 and 2, 5. 1 into 6 plus 2 into 5 plus 3 into 4. So 6 plus 10 plus 12, right? So it would be what? 28. Okay? And the 2 was your carry forward, right? So it is 30, right? So I would write 0 over here, and 3 is my carry forward. And fourth step, what I will do, I will multiply 1 with 5, right? This 2, right? And 2 with 4, right? So 5 plus 8, that is 13. 13 plus 3, right? Which is 16. So plus 3, 16. So I would write 6 over here, and 1 is my carry forward, right? The fifth step is that I would multiply 1 with 4, right? 4. And the 1 was the carry forward, right? So I will add 1 over here. So the answer would be 56088, right? So ideally with practice, you can do it in your mind itself. I'm just explaining it over, so that's why it's taking some amount of time, right? So let's take one more example of 234 into 5, 6, 7, right? The first step is to multiply 4 with 7. 4 into 7, right? Which is 28. Right? So I would write 8 here. 2 is my carry forward, right? Then I would multiply second 3 into 7 plus 4 into 6, right? So 21 plus 24. Right? That would be 45, right? And the carry forward was 2, right? So plus 2. So 47. So 7 and then 4 would remain, right? The third step is that I would multiply in a cross manner. So 2 with 7, 5 with 4, and 3 with 6, right? So you can write 2 into 7 plus 3 into 6 plus 4 into 5, right? Which is 14 plus 18 plus 20, right? That is 52, right? 52, and 4 was my carry forward plus 4. So it would be 56. So I would write 6 and 5 is my carry forward. Okay. Then I will multiply these two numbers. 2 into 6 plus 5 into 3, right? So 12 plus 15, 27. Okay. Then I would add the carry forward, which is 5 also 5. So it would be what? 32, right? So I would write 2 over here, and 3 is my carry forward. Right? Then I would multiply 2 with 5. 2 with 5 is 10. Fifth step, 2 into 5, 10, and 10 plus 3, 13, right? So I would write 3 over. So the answer would be 1, 3, 2, 6, 7, 8. Right? Let's take one example of 4-digit number, right? So here, as we discussed, in 4-digit number, we have 7 steps, right? So the first step would be, let me write it over here, 1, 2, 3, 4 into 5, 6, 7, 8, right? First step would be, I would multiply 4 with 8. That would be 32, right? So I would write 2 over here, okay? 2 over here, and 3 is my carry forward. Right? Then I would do with these 2, right? So that is 3 into 8 plus 4 into 7. So 24 plus 28, right? Which is 52, right? And plus 3 is my carry forward, so 55, right? So I would write 5 over here, and 5 is my carry forward. Then with these 3 number, right? This. So that is 2 into 8, right? Plus 3 into 7 plus your 6 into 4. So that would be 16 plus 21 plus 24, right? Which is 61. And then I will add 5, which is the carry forward, 66. So write 6 over here, and 6 is my carry forward, right? Now I will do it for all numbers, right? 1 into 8, then 1 into 8, then plus 2 into 7, right? Then your 3 into 6, right? And then 4 into 5, right? So 8 plus 14 plus 18 plus 20 plus, right? That would be 60. Then 6 was my carry forward, so I would write it would be 66 again. So I would write 6 over here, and 6 is my carry forward, right? Then again I would do it for these 3 steps. Now I have covered all the 4 steps, right? Now I will just remove this, it will move it to the left hand side, right? So it would be for this 3 number 1 into 7 plus 2 into 6 plus 3 into 5, right? So 7 plus 12 plus 15 equals to 34, right? And since 4 was my carry forward, 6 was my carry forward, so that would be 40. So I would write 0 over here, and 4 is my carry forward, right? Then I will do it for this number, right? Fifth step would be I would write it for 34 is done, right? So I would write is 1 into 6 plus 5 into 10, right? So it would be 16, right? Plus 4, right? So 20, है so 0, 2 is there, है and then I would write 5. Last step is 5 into 1, 5, and then plus 2, which was the carry forward. So 7006652, right? So these are the steps. So with practice you can get it very quickly. So by using this Criss mechanism, we can do it for 5-digit number, 6-digit number, or any digit number. Thanks for watching this video. If you have found this video useful, please do like this video and subscribe to our Maths Grow channel. Thanks again.